Hi guys, welcome back to this channel about jobs. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I am going to sharing about the requirements. It's the latest openings from Greece. I hope you all of know that Greece is a European country. So as I already shared with you the latest jobs and recent openings from many countries. Today I would like to share with you important requirements. It's a latest openings from Greece. So if you're looking for a job in Greece or as a best European country, then this information will be helpful for your careers. So please keep watching this video up to end. Don't skip it. Please keep watching it continue. I will share with you what is the positions and what is the requirements to apply for these jobs and what is the applying process. Let's start. You can see here urgently required for Greece, location Greece. It's a power plant construction project. So let's focus on the positions. Number one, welder. Number two, pipe fitter and steel fitter. Number three, electrician. Number four, driver. Number five, plumber. Number six, spray painter. Number seven, fire and safety. Number eight, storekeeper. So they want 150 candidates, and they will pay the salary seven. They already calculating for annum, so it's near about 700 to 20,000 for annum. That means if you calculate in Indian currency, you can see here now 1 euro it's running 82 rupees near about. You can calculate for annum how much the Indian currency. And I hope these informations and these requirements will be helpful for your career. So don't skip it, don't be delay. My suggest you can apply as soon as possible. You can see here weekly you have to work 6 days, and you can see here the salary details and what is the positions or what is the jobs requirements from Greece. So let's focus on terms and conditions. Terms and conditions: contract period 2 years, renewable. It means depending upon your performance, depending upon your work, they can extend your work permit or your jobs. Working time 9 hours plus overtime. So you will get overtime also. This is a good facility. Accommodation, transportation and insurance, medical insurance, it's provided by the company. As usual, if you get a job in any foreign countries, of course they will arrange the accommodations, transportations and medical insurance. Then food also they will provide it by the company. Age should be up to 40 years, below 40 years. Processing time 3 months. So if you are a looking job in Greece as a welder or pipe fitter or electrician or driver or plumber or spray painter or fire and safety or storekeeper, you have to apply as quick as possible. Let's focus the applying process. How to apply? Applying process is very simple. Send CV with latest testimonials, qualifications, experience certificates to the email ID, and you can call directly. They mention the numbers. You can see here they mention the numbers. So this all information I already shared in the descriptions. Don't worry, go to the descriptions under this video, collect this email ID and contact numbers. My suggest first of all you have to verify by call them and by sending your documents. After sending your documents, you can visit their office and you can contact directly to them. First of all, verify about these requirements and don't pay any single money. As I the same thing I already told in my previous videos, I am getting this information, so I am sharing continuously sharing with you these informations. Your responsibility is you have to verify this office and you have to verify these contacts. Once you get any work permit or job confirmations, then you can talk them about the processing fees. So don't be confused and don't be worried. This is I got this information from genuine persons, so don't be worried. But your responsibility is you have to verify. So my suggest, if you are looking for a job in Greece and you are working in these positions, you have experience, you have qualifications, then don't be delay. Send your documents to this email ID and directly call them and verify these requirements. If you get any confirmations, then you can proceed to forward. So Today I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. This is very simple. This is a requirements from Greece. Greece is a European country. Position is a welder, pipe fitter, electrician, driver, spray printer, storekeeper, fire safety, and they did not mention any experience. That means pressure can also apply, don't need to be worried. They mention some conditions, age should be below 40 years, processing time 3 months, and accommodation transportation provided by the company. And they mentions that if you want to apply, you can send your qualifications, your certificates, your experience certificates, your CV. Every CV means curriculum data or resume or biodata. So I hope you all of know that what is the CV and biodata. And my request, you have to send your all documents to this email ID, and you have to contact them, and you have to verify about these requirements. And please keep in mind, I'm telling you again and again, don't give a single money to any persons before you getting job or before you getting work visa. So friends, today I already shared with you the latest requirements from Greece. And one thing I would like to share you, so many viewers request me to make the video in Hindi language, but my request or my suggest, my dear friends and my dear subscribers, please keep in mind, if you are looking for a job in abroad or foreign, so you should have to understand what English, you should have to speak English, you should have to clear and fluent in English. And if you are facing any problems to if you facing any problems to understand this, I already shared these informations in the descriptions. Go to the descriptions and read it carefully, then it will be easy to apply for you. So finally, I would like to say you many thanks for your valuable time for watching this video up to the end. Stay with me. In the next video, I will share with you latest requirements from another country. So God bless you. Bye bye.